Hi guys, this is Patrick with CSNB and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I have a very awesome watch for you. I just got this in. It was only released maybe just last month, I believe. Although this model series has been out for a couple of years, I believe since 2015. It originated with a steel version, then a titanium, and today we have the carbon version for you. And this is of course the Victorinox I.N.O.X carbon box set. At least that's what I got. I believe you can also purchase this item with just a rubber strap, but why would you do that? You want that parabolic strap. Get with. Guys, in honor of today's unboxing, I'm using my very own Swiss Army knife. This is a special Spartan edition. It's a white version of their infamous red Swiss Army knife. I got this as a gift a couple years back when my folks went to Switzerland, so check that out. So here it is, guys. It's a DHL Express package. I got this from Gnomon? You tell me. As I know people love the correct pronunciation of things, I think it's called Gnomon. But I got an email alert. I had been watching a bunch of reviews and recaps on this watch. I've been interested in the I.N.O.X line of watches for some time, and you know, I just jumped on this one. I remember the price was stated at a much higher rate, but Gnomon has it at a very, very respectable price range right now. Mind you, it was still, you know, a little over $700. I know a lot of you out there would prefer a automatic watch, but there's a reason they're using a quartz in here, and I believe the quartz movement inside this piece is a Ronda quartz movement, not ETA. However, I love quartz movements, and there's a reason people use them in professional watches. I mean, field watches, dive watches, this watch in particular. It's because they can handle stress a little bit better than an automatic can. So guys, I'm going to continue using my knife to hack this guy open. As you can tell, there's a lot of bubble wrap for an item that's gone through over 130 tests for durability. They took into a lot of consideration how this was packaged. Now I'm actually really curious because when I saw the image of this, it came in a huge, like, plastic crate, something you'd see, like you'd carry audio equipment in. But this looks kind of small, so I'm really anxious. I wonder when I got it. It said I got the box set when I purchased it. By the way, guys, what knives do you have in your everyday carry? Let me know. This is honestly the only knife I keep around, and this is the smaller end of the Spartan. There's actually a larger knife in here. I don't know if you guys have actually seen a Swiss Army knife, but they're extremely handy. I open up a lot of wine on the regular, so having a corkscrew there is great, although it is kind of difficult to use the corkscrew to get bottles open. I can do a tutorial later. Comment in the comment section down below if you want to see me crank open wine. I love me some wine. Right? Lord, you know, I usually like to keep the packaging material from my purchases because I cycle through so many watches these days that it's beneficial to keep this around, but this is for your sake. This is all for you guys. Here we are. There's the box. Sans bubble wrap. Now I need to be careful here because the last thing I cut into, I legitimately cut straight into the product. And it was something I was getting in for review, so on a different channel of mine, but I'm not going to talk about that here. I guess I want to hear about my other channels. This watch one is good enough for now, I'm sure. Alright, so on top you get these white sheets with hearts. How cute is that? Guys, tell me what's up with this. If you know what these sheets are or what they're for, aside from looking dandy, I'm going to actually keep these around. These look like postcards or something. I can use those. Okay, so we're going to put that off to the side, put my knife down. Sorry if there's any camera shake there. Okay, inside, there we go. That's what I was talking about. That's what I was talking about. Alright, I'm going to take this bubble wrap. I might actually keep that too. Check it out. Now, I was told that the presentation is just as nice as the watch, and this isn't letting me down. I mean, you know what? I've never received a watch that came in as nice a box as this. And look, if you guys are going to carry it around, you got a way to do that. It seems kind of ridiculous, but take it. At any rate, I'm going to see how to open this. I think it's literally just these latches, and we should be good. How sweet is that? How sweet is that? Huh? How sick. Actually, I'm going to close this knife up. I have a cat that roams around the house, and I don't want her jumping up on the table and fooling with that. Nice! Noman sent me a little cleaning cloth. They'll usually let the customer know before they send them any sort of goodies. This might be a silken pouch and or a microfiber cleaning cloth, but we'll get into that later. Thank you, guys! I'm going to send you all a note with those cute little postcards you sent me. Now, guys, this is what you get inside the box, so you know. In case you haven't looked this up already, I'm assuming you did. So, inside you get the manual, warranty, all that fun information in this padded sleeve. And actually, let me get up and just, because you know what, these are sort of impromptu, but I want to make sure you're getting the good stuff. So there you go, there's your warranty card. Down below you have your watch, neatly wrapped. You have the rubber strap that comes with the box set. You have a hang tag that is attached to the parabolic strap. And then you have this compass attachment, but not only that, it's also a protective sleeve for your watch should it need any more protection. And you know, I'm not entirely certain carbon is completely scratch proof. It's supposed to be one of the more durable materials you can make watches out of. This is carbon resin, this watch. I'm told it has a little bit of a plasticky feel. I've honestly never held a carbon watch before, so this is really exciting for me. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at that rubber strap. Wow. So I usually don't like rubber straps, ever. Usually don't use them. This is really nice. I'm trying to look at what it says. Maybe someone can pronounce that for me. But they outsourced these parts, I believe. They had different manufacturers make the rubber strap and the parabolic strap for them. I think Namaki makes the parabolic strap. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong too, guys. Just gotta bear with me. You know what? When you spend $700 for something, you can just say whatever you want. That's not true. Gotta pay certain respects. All right, and there are spare spring bars in here. I'm assuming that's for the rubber strap. Maybe the parabolic strap takes a different spring bar, so it's very cool. Thank you for supplying the extra spring bars. You know, I have yet had a watch fall off on me, and I dread to see the day. But here we are. The watch itself. It's actually smaller in profile than I anticipated, and it's extremely lightweight. Now, their titanium model was the lightest version of this watch, and I believe this now takes the cake. I'll have to look at the specs, but I believe this watch is actually just a little lighter, even with this particular strap on. Wow. That is really gnarly, to put it lightly. This is very, very nice. That strap is much shorter, much smaller than I had realized. And I'm going to get up again. The mic is a shotgun mic, so you might not hear me as well, but you'll get a good look at the watch, and I'm sure that's what you're actually here for. So let's go ahead. And the lighting isn't best in this room, but you can tell what this piece looks like. Profile. Now guys, it's just shy of 14 millimeters thick, but I'm not gonna lie, the way it's shaped, it appears smaller, which I'm very excited about. By the way, wearing my Omega F300, maybe you've seen it on the show, but for reference, this F300 is about 38 millimeters, this watch is about 43 in diameter, so you kind of get an idea of how big this watch is relative to its older brother here. Alright, I.N.O.X. Let's see if my camera will focus. I hate autofocus on these things. There we are! I.N.O.X. There's like some sort of reindeer head there. That's pretty dope. So, this whole watch has this extreme sort of survival aesthetic. The whole idea behind this particular field watch, I'm going to call it a field watch, is that it can handle anyone's everyday situation. And I mean anyone. So whether you're a rock climber, it goes 200-meter diving, so I wouldn't say like saturation diving. I don't think you can go deep sea diving with this. However, you definitely go snorkeling. It's very militaristic. It's a very military style watch. There's a 24-hour scale that's actually printed on the underside of the sapphire crystal. You would have seen it earlier, but I'll show you again. And then there are 3 layers of anti-reflective coating under that sapphire. Go ahead and make sure you can see that. Yeah, guys, this is a really sick watch. And I'll let you know now, the only reason I went for this particular model is, one, I wanted a carbon watch, and two, the dial face on this. Now this is the first departure the company's ever taken with this piece from their original dial face with the batons all around, 1 through 12, except 12 is the Victorinox logo. Same here, but then you have the 3, 6, and 9, and I think it is gorgeous. This is like the nicest. When I saw the images for this watch, I thought those were the nicest letters, and they don't let you down, even in person. They look so nice. I love the styling of the font they chose. It looks so good. Now guys, that's just my initial impression. I don't want to spoil too much. We're going to review this watch on the channel, whether I keep it or not. I haven't really decided. But it's a very, very popular watch right now, this whole lineup, and I can see this being extremely popular moving forward. I can already tell you, I'm highly enamored with it. I'm going to go ahead and put it on in a second. But at any rate, thank you for joining me for this unboxing. I hope I didn't drown you out with too many little facts there. I'm just a little excited, as you can tell. I was highly anticipating this watch. And I'm so glad I was able to get my hands on one. Initially, they were exclusive to Victorinox's website, so you would have to pay full MSRP. But again, as I said, I was lucky to purchase it from I.N.O.X. So thank you guys for the little pouch. I'm going to send this video to you guys too. If you like this video, feel free to like it. If you want to see the review later on, weeks to come, subscribe. And or just look it up in YouTube. You're most likely going to find it amongst some of the other reviews. We're going to do a really, really fun one with this. There's nothing really to compare it to. It's sort of its own hybrid. Thank you guys. Like if you like it, dislike if you dislike it, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Comment in the comment section down below with any thoughts on your I.N.O.X, if you have one, or if you have this particular model, let me know how your time's been with it. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts on this particular piece. I'm a little scared that it's going to wear a little large. We'll see if that's true or not. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me here on CSB. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.